Welcome to this introduction on statistics and probability. Today, we are going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in data analysis, the range. We will look at what it is, how to calculate it, and why it is useful. Let's start with the definition. The range is simply the difference between the highest value and the lowest value in a dataset. It gives us a quick way to understand the spread of our numbers. The formula is very straightforward. Maximum minus minimum. Why do we care about range? Because it is a measure of spread, also known as dispersion. It tells us how spread out or scattered our data points are. It is the simplest measure of variability to calculate, making it a great starting point for understanding data. Let's look at an example. Imagine we have this set of 5 numbers, 2, 5, 8, 3, and 7. To find the range, we don't need to worry about the average or the middle number yet. We just need to identify the extreme values. First, we find the minimum and maximum. Looking at our numbers, 2 is the smallest and 8 is the largest. Now, we subtract the minimum from the maximum. 8 minus 2 equals 6, so the range of this dataset is 6. The distance between the smallest and largest number is 6 units. The range is particularly useful when comparing two different groups. Look at Group A and Group B. Both groups have an average value of 10. However, Group A consists of 3 tens. Its range is 10 minus 10, which is 0. Group B has 0, 10, and 20. Its range is 20 minus 0, which is 20. Here is a visual representation of that comparison. Group A is clustered tightly together. In fact, there is no spread at all. Group B is spread out across the number line. Even though they have the same center, their spread is completely different. Range helps us quantify this difference. Let's apply this to the real world, like weather. Imagine city A. It has a high of 28 degrees and a low of 26. The range is only 2 degrees. It is very consistent. Now imagine city B. It goes up to 35 degrees in the day, but drops to 5 degrees at night. The range is 30 degrees. That is a huge fluctuation. The range tells us about the stability of the temperature. However, there is a major limitation you must know. The range is extremely sensitive to outliers. Look at this dataset, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 100. The range is 100 minus 1, which is 99. If we draw this on a number line, we see the problem. Most of our data is clustered between 1 and 4, but that single outlier at 100 stretches the range all the way out. A range of 99 suggests the data is very spread out, but actually most of it is not. The range ignores everything in the middle. To summarize, range is the maximum minus the minimum. It is the simplest measure of spread and is good for quick estimates. However, be careful using it if your data has outliers, as it can be misleading because it ignores how the data is distributed between the extremes. Now it is your turn. Here is a set of numbers, 5, 12, 1, and 9. Pause the video here and calculate the range yourself. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.